Hey there everyone, welcome back to Tech Basis, and today's video is all about how to download the HDFC Bank app. Let's get started. Grab your phone or tablet and open your App Store. Depending on your device, it will be either the Google Play Store or the App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in HDFC and just hit search. You should see HDFC Bank mobile banking app. To download and install the app, tap on Install or Get depending on your device. The app will download and install automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a minute. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to launch the app. And that's it. You have downloaded and launched the HDFC Bank app. Now you can explore all the features it has to offer and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.